So hello my friends, today we are here in order to review and explain the main differences between these two fonts. These two fonts are from Missyou, amazing store. These are two, but I got three actually from the store because I find them really amazing. So we got the 50 cm font, we got also the 42 cm font. They are like pretty the same, except of course for the dimension and clearly of the images. I obviously prefer this one, but it's the same, except also for the way you're gonna upload your videos and your files on the fonts. So today I'm gonna show you how to do it in the easiest way for you, and we are gonna use the 50 cm font. So let's go with this one. So let's start with the opening it. So I already opened it once, so you're gonna find some other things like the manual and also the danger stick that also come with the fonts, but I think it's quite easy to find the same things like shown here. So you have the command, the small command, you got the USB and all the instruments you're gonna need in order to set your fan on the wall. You have the charge that you're gonna need in order to use the fan. You got the base of the fan. Also it comes with this small thing that I use in order to stabilize it and also in order to attach it to the wall whenever I need it. And here you got the fans. So you should see that you got a writing saying down and up. So this is gonna show you the right side where you need to build them. So you just, in order to build them, you just take your base, you see these little holes, you point this in the up side, just insert it, and you're gonna slide them. Like when you heard the click, they're in, then you're gonna do the same thing from the other side. Just slide them, hit the click, and they're gone. When you need to unbuild it, in order to, when you finish to use it, simply open this little box. You're gonna find this little instrument here. I don't know if you see it. Yeah, you should see it. Then you're gonna find these two little holes like at the side of the fans. So what you're gonna need to do is just with one hand, you're gonna insert it, click it a bit, just slide it a bit, extract it, and you're gonna process to slide it at all. So really easy. Do not force it because in that way you're gonna break it. So it's really, really easy. This way you build it and click, insert, click, one hand, extract, and you go. Okay, so, and the last thing from the base, you got also, I'll show you, here, you got the SD card. So it might seem a bit difficult to extract it, but it's really, really easy. In fact, you just need with a hand, press the SD inside. You're gonna hear a click, and then it's gonna come outside on your own. You just then gonna need to take it. Then you take also the USB that you got in this little bag. You're gonna find the right side, and you're gonna insert inside the USB, because later I'm gonna show you how to use the USB and the files inside it in order to upload the app. So now we're gonna cut and show you how to properly manage to find the right type of fan you need in order to upload. So here we are again, my friends. What we got here is just the USB here. So it's the USB that you're gonna plug into your PC. Once plugged, you just gonna see into the files the unit, and you're gonna find this WinRAR file Then you're gonna click the right button and you're gonna click on extract. Once you're gonna extract your file, you're gonna have this part here. You're gonna open it again, and you're gonna find these files. Here you have the zip file unzipped. When you double click, and it's gonna show again, double click, and here is charging, as you see. Oh, sorry, because I already got it, but here you got the tutorial on how to set up your 5D displayer, so the app you're gonna need in order to upload all your files that you're gonna show on top of the file. So I'm just gonna close it because yeah, I already got it. So once you install it, you're gonna find it on your desktop. Here you see 5D displayer. Here you're gonna open it, and you see you got a equipment type. So as you saw on the clip before, once you have connected your fan through the Wi-Fi to your mobile, you're gonna see through the app which fan you got. So for the 50 cm fan, we have to choose to set the FF5 type. For the 42 cm, you're gonna choose the F1, but again, you're gonna see the personal type using the trick I showed you before. And then you go with select file. You're gonna just select something you have already downloaded. So I got this one. You select open. Here you see you got the clip. You got this big circle here that is like just the average of the fan you're gonna see. So you're just gonna, with sliding with your hand, you're just gonna reduce it or enlarge it how you wish. Once you got it, you just set with export. You're gonna choose the unit USB, so you're gonna save on top of the SD card inside USB. You click on OK, and see you got this charging bar. So you're just gonna wait for it to charge until the 100%, and once you got it, I'm gonna show you how to set it and see through the fun. So here we are again, my friends. Once you're gonna finished by deploying all your files and videos on the USB, you're just gonna unplug it from the PC. So that's what we are now, where we are now, sorry. So you're just gonna take it again back, take your base, just find the hole here. You're gonna put it back inside the fan. Again, you just need to hear the click, and then it's inside. And now it's ready to be plugged and used. Now you can see here the plug is already there, but it's been plugged to the ground with some tape. Why? Because firstly, because the fan is really powerful. So if you are not using it on a wall but on a ground, you see it's gonna move a lot. So what I suggest is just putting something underneath in order to not let it slide a lot. And then again, also, if you can, just tape the cable, because if it's gonna move and touch the fan, it's gonna be a really mess. The other thing you need to be cautious about is that once plugged the first time, the base is gonna start by itself. So you need to be or really fast, or what I suggest you is, again, you just need to unplug the fan from the base. Really easy to do. Here, really easy. You then take the base, you plug it, and you see once you plug it, it's gonna start by itself. So what you have here, the controller, And watch out, because the first time you open it, the controller is gonna have a plastic thing inside here that is not gonna let the battery works. So what you have to do is just slide it outside. Then you got the controller, you push on off, and you're gonna off the base once it's plugged. So you keep it like this. You take again your fans upside. Again, really smooth, really easy. Hear the click. Remember, hear the click, because when you hear the click, you know that they are safely installed and that they are not gonna slide out. So once it's plugged, you're just gonna use the controller in order to set on. It's gonna start. So again, watch out, use something underneath, because it's gonna be a mess if not. Once you got something underneath, okay, so we're just gonna search for our design. These are the already set design. Remember, we had plug with Saturn. So here we got our Saturn that is charging. Here you got the growing, you can see it, really nice, really nice. You can see, I'll show you also like this, you're gonna see way better. So here you have the design, you plug, you charge by yourself, really easy. And then whenever you need it, you're just gonna set it off, and there we go. Well, here we are, my friends. Now I'm gonna show you how to properly see which type of fan you got in order to later set the actual fan type on the app in order to upload your desired video. So the easiest thing you can do is just going on your Wi-Fi connection, click on the Wi-Fi fan. In this case, this one is the 3D OC, all these things you see here. You can see which is your name in the manual of your fan. Actually, you're gonna see it's written no connection, but it's not important because we don't have connection. So you're just gonna do open 5D player. So these are the actual designs already charged on the fan, but the important is, as you can see, the type. So on the left, up left of the page, you see type 5, F5. So this is our fan type. So now we know that we need to set the F5 in order to upload our video. So in 2 minutes, I'm gonna show you how.